Hello students, what you can see, I am having a piece of biscuit with me. If I am going to divide it into two equal parts, what I will get? Two pieces, though it is not equal because I divided it with my hand. So two pieces. What one represent? One represent, since it is 2, in denominator we will write 2 and 1 represent 1 out of 2. If I am going to eat both pieces, means one full biscuit, then how to write in fraction? 2 upon 2 for improper. In improper we write all the parts which we are talking about. So if I am going to have both the parts, what I will write? 2 upon 2. But after taking 2 together, it turned into one whole. So in place of 2 upon 2, we can write 1 also. This is also an example of mixed form, or writing the number from improper. This is improper one, from improper into mixed form. In improper we learned that in improper our numerator is either equal to denominator or greater than denominator. So in improper form we represent 2 half as 2 by 2, and in a mixed form we write it as simply 1. Now if I am going to take 2 biscuit and divide both into halves. So what I will get? I will get 4 pieces in total. So if from those 4 pieces I am going to eat 3 of the pieces, what I will write in the numerator 3. But 1 is divided into 2, so we will write 2 in the denominator. So that is writing the fraction in the improper form, 3 by 2. But if I want to convert this into mixed form, in place of this 2, we can convert this 2 with 1 whole. So what we can write? I am going to take 2 half from here and 1 half from the other biscuit. So I can represent this as 1 whole and half. So in place of 3 upon 2, we can write 1 and half. Okay. So again, if I am going to have, in place of 2 biscuit, if I am having 3 biscuits and I am having 6 half pieces with me, and from 6 half I am going to eat only 5. 1 half will represent 1 upon 2. 5 halves will represent 5 upon 2. If I am going to eat 5 of the pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 from 6. So what we can do? I can replace this 2 parts with 1 whole biscuit. I can replace this again 2 parts again with 1 whole biscuit. So in mixed form we are learning to convert. Earlier it was 5 by 2, but after replacing that with whole biscuit, in place of 5 we can write as a whole what? 2, and this will be represented as half. So 5 upon 2 will now become 2 and half. This is, we are learning how to convert improper into mixed form. And the opposite also we can do, that this is 2 and half. I can convert, replace this with 2 half. This will be represented as 2 half also, because that is equal to 2 half. 2 half makes 1 full biscuit. This is equal to again 2 half. So now it is converted into 5 upon 2. From whole number, mixed number, if you have to go to improper form, then in place of 2 and half we will write what? 1, 2, 3. 1 is divided into how many part? 2 part. So if we are having 2 full, that is also, if divided into 2 part, how many part we will get? 4. And 1 from here, then it will become 5 upon 2. Clear, students?